Hello and welcome to a beautiful Tuesday morning, and have I got a treat of a job coming up. It is a beautiful old stone barn, had an old tin roof on it. It's just basically an old outbuilding which was derelict for years, and we have been told to come in and sort it out basically. So far the roofers have been in and they've removed the tin roof, so we've been left with the shell. I've heard that the building itself has survived that, because we generally thought that once that roof goes it's just gonna cave in. So we are here today just to sort out the stone, see what's going on, look over the plans, keep any specific stones like cornerstones and stuff to one side, just basically organise it really. I believe it's just me and Pat. Cam's off. Demo team's going to crack on with taking down all the necessary bits. And yeah, it's just going to be one of them prep days really. I think the next few days are, so I'll try and video what I can, but like I say, you know, it's just going to be until we sort of get all the foundations sorted and everything checked out. It's going to be a bit, you know, hit and miss, but yeah, it's all part of the job. But anyway, let's go check it out and let's see what we're going to be playing with. Love it. Oh, what a treat. Righty, there we go. So this side we are going to take down what needs taken down. We're going to repoint everything that needs repointing. On this one, I believe we've got to rebuild everything exactly the same. So all the internal walls, little windows, etc. have got to stay the same. The roofers have took the roof off because there was a tin roof on this. And surprisingly, it's actually lasted quite well. We thought the whole thing was going to fall down. But yes, coming round here, I believe it's all the same. Sort of just take down what needs taken down. That looks quite new, so that's going on that. We've got a site toilet as well, which is a little treat, so that's good. I believe a lot of that's coming down. Pat has started, as you can see, so just sort of taking down, he was taking down this end, because that stone there is from this gable, so what's sticking up there this side, so obviously as you can see a lot of it's come down. There's an old chimney going through there. But yes, so I believe today we're doing the same. We'll be taking down this and just sorting through the stone really. As you can see, a lot of this has to come down, but no, that's a right good project this. Absolutely love it. But yeah, so it's just really we've got to rebuild this exactly how it was, and yeah, to see how we go with it really. As you can see, most of this end is going to be a total sort of rebuild, but yeah, lovely jubbly. So I believe today we're just going to crack on, take down what we need to, sort all the stone out, keep the site nice and tidy, and yeah, we'll go from there. So without further ado, let's go finish the coffee, and yeah, I'm excited for this one. It's going to be good. Lovely jubbly. Righty, we've pulled out this wall here, the one that had the toilet in it. Totally got rid of it. It was a block, I believe. Yeah, it was block. So we pulled that out, and we're just spending a moment now just getting rid of as much rubbish as possible. Not going to tackle the main structure yet. We're just going to get rid of the rubbish. Oh, that's the chimney gone. Chimney, chim. Churro. Oh, I can't zoom in anymore. It's like Russian roulette. This is. Whatever goes, goes. I'm still standing. Oh. Just keep nibbling. Just keep nibbling. Oh, it is absolutely, it's stonking, bonking hot. It is beautiful. Going good. Demo guys are cracking on, taking down pretty much all of it, trying to keep as much as the original building up as possible. But you know, if it doesn't pass the mark, it doesn't pass the mark. But yeah, that's out of our control. We're just there to basically pick out the stone today. That's what me and Pat are cracking on with. We're just sort of just trying to organise all the corners and stuff, and just sort of see, you know, quantity of stone and quality as well, just in case we need to get any more in and that. But it's looking like we don't, because that bit by the toilet is getting taken down, and we're not actually rebuilding that bit. It's just going to become a perfect rectangle, if you know what I mean. So Yeah, no, we're all doing good. All doing good, really. It's just one of them. At the start of these jobs, you know what I mean? You know, if you get it all prepped well, it's, yeah, it's going to be a lot easier in the long run. But yeah, we are getting there. We're just sort of staying out of the way, basically, letting the lads crack on. Soon we should be able to start seeing where we're going with it and obviously see the shape and that. But yeah, so see what this afternoon brings. No, that's what I thought. It looks like a bigger stone as well. The other one is all deteriorated, weren't it? Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's true, isn't it? Because it was internal wall. Oh, this stone is absolutely gorgeous. It's gonna be nice to build with, isn't it? It's gorge, mate. So that's the last wall now, isn't it? For now. Last load on the dumper. Lovely jubbly. We've pretty much taken down this whole end. So the demo guy's going to carry on with it tomorrow. We're going to start digging out the foundations and just seeing the shape and seeing where everything's going. But look at this stone, eh? It is going to be a treat. Absolutely beautiful. It's for such an old building, it's lovely to see how much stone hasn't actually been damaged, and because you normally get this, especially with lias, it's a very hard stone, if you know what I mean. So when it does have impact, it just breaks like a glass, really. But oh, that's lovely. Got a pile over here as well. So pretty much this whole end has gone. But yeah, roll on tomorrow. Hopefully it's another beautiful day, and yeah, we can start seeing this shape up. Really, it's just yeah, it's going to be fun. It is going to be fun. I'm really looking forward to this one. It's going to be good. I am so dusty. What a day. Anyway, Tuesday squash, as you've just seen. Got some lovely big piles of stone, so we can sort through that. It's going to be a bit messy over the next few days because, like I say, we're just trying to really leave what we can. But like I say, it's not our call. You know what I mean? If it was me, I'll try and keep everything up, you know what I mean? And just sort of deal with it as you come to it. But like I say, everything's got to be done the right way, etc. So it's not our call. We're just trying to keep up what we can. It's been a good day, actually. I'd say weather's been absolutely beautiful. I've just been helping out with, you know, the dumper and that, just sort of helping out where we can, really. But it's all down to the machinery, this bit. But tomorrow we're going to carry on digging out the footings and that, well, digging out what we need to, basically, and just sort of digging out. I know that end that we just took down, pretty much that's all going to be relayed and stuff. So but it looks like the other side is going to be all right. It is going to be a bit messy, the videos, until we get straight building. But I like looking back on, you know, these videos, because I like seeing, you know, what it was and what we overcome and stuff. But anyway, like I say, yeah, roll on tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.